Hey everyone, it's Handy Humberto from Kira Home, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the brand new Kira Home Berlin chandelier. The Berlin is a 5-light chandelier that follows a very simplistic design. Its body is made using linear components, which results in a sleek and modern look. This makes it perfect for foyers, kitchens, and even dining rooms. It comes in a two-tone finish with a black main body and subtle warm brass accents. The unique feature of the Berlin chandelier is the optional glass shades. The optional glass shades can be quickly and easily removed by simply lifting the shades up and around the light bulbs. Now, due to the simplistic nature of this design, it is very important to always have a light bulb installed in your socket before reinstalling your premium glass shades to prevent them from moving around. And that concludes our quick showcase video of the beautiful Kira Home Berlin chandelier. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online or via the phone or email listed on all of our product manuals.